Hi there! In this video, we'll be talking about what payment options are available to you when you work with Pulse. Let's get started. The three main options available to you are PAYE, Umbrella and Limited Company. So, what is PAYE? It stands for Pay As You Earn. PAYE means your pay goes directly into your bank account and Pulse will make the necessary deductions for you. For example, if you earn over £12,570, we will auto-deduct national insurance, tax and other appropriate deductions. By choosing the PAYE method, you will be eligible for statutory sick pay, maternity pay and paternity pay. And you'll also be automatically enrolled into a 5% pension, which we also contribute to. Through PAYE, you'll receive payslips for each payment, an annual P60, and if your time with Pulse comes to an end, your P45. All of this and at no cost to you. There are no fees to manage your pay through Pulse. PAYE means we take care of your pay and deductions so you can sit back and relax. As a PAYE worker, you're entitled to holiday pay, which will be itemised on your payslip. Moving on to the umbrella company method. Do you know what an umbrella is? No, not the kind you need for the British weather. An umbrella company acts as your employer. They manage your timesheets, your pay, and take care of your tax, national insurance, and other relevant deductions. They charge a fee, and this can range from as little as £15 through to £30. Depending on the company, this is either a weekly cost or per timesheet. So, what information do you need to know before using an umbrella company? An umbrella company acts as your payroll employer, while you still enjoy all the benefits working for Pulse has to offer. You'll have access to a pension scheme, and if you have more than one source of income, you'll be able to process them all through your umbrella company as one employer. You'll also be given a choice of over 25 FCSA accredited companies to choose from. We only permit the use of umbrella companies from our approved list to offer you some protection from the large number of disreputable umbrella companies operating under tax avoidance schemes. Although we take these extra steps to protect you, it does not remove the risk altogether. If you decide to use an umbrella company that operates under a tax avoidance scheme, you will be liable for paying back any unpaid tax to HMRC. Up next, we have limited company. What does this mean for you? Well, you can set yourself up as a limited company, which is also known as Personal Services Company, or PSC. Once you've done that, the way in which Pulse pays you is dependent on the IR35 status of your role. What happens if your role is inside IR35? We would make the relevant deductions, and your payment would then be made as a net amount into the limited company bank account. You'd receive payslips for each payment, an annual P60, and a P45 if your time with Pulse came to an end. How about if your role falls outside of IR35? Then your payments would be made as a gross amount into the limited company bank account. This means you would be responsible for filing your own tax returns, or you do have the option of using an accountant. IR35 status is decided on a case-by-case basis, and the determination for this is the responsibility of the end client. This method means you set yourself up as a limited company, and Pulse will pay your company account. At Pulse, we would always advise speaking to a qualified financial advisor to ensure that you're making the choices that are right for you. Thanks for watching.